Hi and welcome. A few months ago we ordered in some BCW magazine boards to package up some artwork, and we want to give you a closer look and also tell you what size of clear bags that you're going to need to order for these backing boards. So these are acid free. They are a standard size at 8.5 by 11 inches, so they're great for packaging up smaller art prints or for cataloging your magazines or comic books. These here come in a pack of 100. Okay, now we're in the studio and we'll show you how to use them. So this is an 8.5 by 11 inch printer paper, and it's the same size as the backer board. So if you want to ship artwork or store your comics, then order clear bags that are at least 8 3/4 inches by 11 3/16 inches. And that's going to be the perfect size to fit the backer board into. And then put in your print or whatever you're storing. And that's it. So now this is ready to ship or put in your collection for storage or selling at your shop too. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.